Does your business have a website? If not, you're missing out on a very large piece of your target market. In fact, you are most likely losing business because of it. Why? Old school forms of advertising such as phone book ads just do not work anymore because nobody uses them. Nowadays, when people need a solution for a problem, they turn to the internet. If you do not have a website, potential customers won't be able to find you and they just won't take you seriously. A website allows you to share your products and services with the world instead of limiting yourself to any local area. A properly optimized website means that when potential customers search for the products and services you offer, they will find your website and can easily find out more information and how to make a purchase with you. You may think that it is a good idea to set up your business website on your own, or have a friend or relative do it because they supposedly know how to. But having someone who is not a trained professional create a website for you is a huge mistake. And that's where we come in. We create websites that make our clients look professional. We will optimize your site to make sure that people can easily find you and convert to paying customers. A website is not a business expense. It's an investment that pays for itself if done correctly. Contact us today to get started.